Good morning, students. We will see question number 9 of exercise 7.1. If q 0, 1 is equidistant from p 5, minus 3 and r x, 6, find the value of x. So in rough, there are 2 points. Q is here and p is here and r is here. Suppose p is here and r is here. Okay. Now q is equidistant from what? P and R. So it means what? Q R and QP will be of same distance because Q is equidistant what? R and P. Okay. The figure may be like this also. It may be linear also. Here in between Q may be there. Q, here P and here what? R. Okay. Now locate a point. Q is what? 0, 1. So here Q is what? 0, 1 means here. Then R is what? X, 6. So R is x, 6. We will see that afterwards. We have P also. P is how much? P is 5, minus 3. So we will look at first P. So X is 5 and Y is minus 3. So it is coming here. Now we will see of R. Now first of all check X is X only unknown and Y is what? 6. So it means Y is 6 here. Okay. Y is what? 6. But what is X? It may be any point among this. Any point. Yes, among this line. Y is 6. Okay, but X we don't know. So here what can we say? The point R may be in this quadrant. Point R may be in this quadrant. And it is x, 6 and here also x, 6. Okay, we need to understand this. Okay, we got Q, all of you know how to plot it, then P also. But what about R? X is unknown but Y is known, that is 6. So you got one line, means here it is fixed that Y is 6, means this line will be there. Y is what? 6. But what about X? It may be any one point among this. Okay, so now if Q is equidistant from P 5, minus 3 and R x, 6, find the value of x and also find the distance QR. So from here, suppose R is here, I will join this. Okay, QR, and here we have what? QP. We'll take here so that it should look like they are equal. Or here, it may be here. Okay, there are two values possible. So while solving this, you will get how to solve it. Now since whenever they are giving you equidistance, so these two distances are equal, QP equals to QR. So you will take QP equals to what? QR. Okay. Now after taking QP equals to QR, all of you know distance formula. Yes. So by applying the distance formula, now so here we need to find distance QP. So for QP we have a distance formula. Yes. x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Same for QR. Now whenever we are saying QP, means it is combination of 2 points and you are getting line segment. So see here, QP is here. Yes, Q is what? 0, 1. So x1 will be 0 and y1 will be what? 1. Okay. Then P is there. So P, x2 will be 5 and y2 will be how much? Minus 3. Now we will put this value here. So x2 is how much? 5. So your 5 minus x1 is how much? 0 square plus y2 is how much? Minus 3. Minus 3. Y1 is how much? 1. But minus 1. Okay, because the minus sign is there and y1 is what? 1 square. Okay. Now first we will simplify this side, then this side. Okay. Now this will what? 5 minus 0? 5. 5 square? 25. Minus 3 minus 1? Minus 4. And minus 4 square will be what? 16. So root of 41. Okay. Now we will see this side. QR. So here we have QR. Combination of 2 points. So Q, we are taking what? x1 as 0 and y1 as what? 1. And here R, x2 as what? X and y2 as what? 6. So putting the value. x2 is how much? X. So here x. x1 is how much? 0. X minus 0 square plus y2 is how much? 6. 6 minus y1 is how much? 1 square. So it will be x square plus 5 square. Okay, so we will get like this only. Now squaring both the side, on squaring both the side, on squaring both the side. So what we will get on squaring both the side, what we will get? 41 equals to under root of x, under root will be cancelled, yes, x square plus 25. So x square equals to how much? 41 minus 25 is 16. So x will be what? Plus or minus 4. So we are getting two values of x. Okay, we are getting what? Two values of x. So our point will be, okay, here it will be what? R positive 4, so 4 comma 6, and here it will be what? R will be what? Minus 4 comma 6. So you need to find the distance what? QP, okay, then QR, okay, and QR, this QR and this QR, okay, and find PR also. PR and QR you need to find it, yes. So how many QRs you are getting? This QR and this QR, and PR means this one you need to find. So we will find it, okay. So R we have 4 comma 6, and also R we have minus 4 comma 6. So students, we got the value of what? X, that is 4, okay, and minus 4. So they are saying us to find the distance QR and PR. So see here, how many QRs are there? This is QR, this is first distance, okay, this is also QR. So 2 QR you need to find it, yes. And from P to R, this is first PR, and from here to here there are 2 PRs, okay. Now case 1, in case 1, when R is how much? 4 comma 6, okay, when X is 4, so R will be 4 comma 6, Q will be 0 comma 1, and P will be 5 comma minus 3. Now we will first find QR distance. So to find the QR distance, you know the formula, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So Q is first here, so I will say x1 y1, okay. You can alternate also, still you will get same answer. You can say this also x1 y1, this is x2 y2, answer will be same, no problem. This is x2, this is y2. Now just put the value QR, okay. So QR, so x2 is what? 4, so your 4 minus x1 is how much? x1 is 0 square plus y2 is how much? y2 is 6 minus y1 is 1, okay. Now we will solve this. 4 minus 0, so 4 square 16, okay. Then 6 minus 1, 5, 25, and if we add it we will get root 41, okay. So we got root 41. Then PR we want to find. Now see PR, how much it is? PR, so R is this point and P is here, okay. So this will be what? x1 y1 R, this will be x2 y2. So put your value. X2 is what? 5, okay. So 5 minus x1, x1 is what? 4, x1 is what? 4. You are finding this PR distance, and this is another PR, okay. Now when point is 4 comma 6, this PR will be there. So 5, x2 is what? 5 minus 4 square plus y2 is how much? y2 is minus 3, minus 3 minus of what? 6 whole square. Now on squaring, 5 minus 4, 1 square, okay, plus minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 is 81, so root 82 you are getting, okay. Now the case 1 is over. Now case 2, when x equals to minus 4, so you are getting R as what? Minus 4 comma 6. So instead of here it will come here, so R is what? Minus 4 comma 6. So if it is there, distance QR क्या आएगा देखो, x2 minus x1, this formula as it is. So we will consider what? This as x1 y1, x2 y2, okay. So x2 is what? Minus 4, so minus 4 minus what? x1, x1 is what? 0 square, okay, under root 1, plus y2 is how much? 6. 6 minus y1 is 1. Now we will find minus 4 minus 0 is minus 4 only, so minus 4 square is 16. 16 plus 6 minus 1, 5, 25. Okay, so it's under root of what? 41. Under root of 41. So we got QR. Same QR we got what we got last. Now PR distance. I think it will be different from this one. So see how. Now this is what we will say this as, okay, we will consider this as x1 and this as y1. Okay, x1, y1. Minus 4 is what? X1 and 6 is what? Y1. This as x2, y2 as it is. Okay, so now see, x2 is how much? Put the value of x2. x2 is 5, so 5. Minus x1, so x1 is how much? Minus 4. Minus of minus 4 plus 4 square. y2 minus y1. y2 is what? Minus 3. Okay, minus y1 is what? 6 square. Now we will calculate this. This will be 9 square 81. This will also 9 square minus 9 square 81. So we will get what? Root of 162. So we got distance PR. So hence we got QR and PR. Okay.